So I have this other wig here from Curly Me, right? Curly Me collection. Isn't the box so pretty? I thought this was so cute. But let me open it and let me see. Oh my God, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. Bump that. Let me put on my music. Let me put on my music. Jesus. Because I feel like shock of the day, honey. Yes. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that? Oh my God. This is a 6x4, I think it was, that I ordered. It's summertime, honey, and I ain't got time to be sitting here combing my hair all day. I want to slap something off and keep it moving. Oh my God. 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 Yes. You know you about to go somewhere, you like, damn, I only got 30 minutes, right? You don't put your makeup on and you're like, yo, I want to put on this bomb ass hair, but I know it's going to take too long, right? And then when you open the package, it's like, what the, oh my God, like this can't be real. Child, Lord, let's put this thing on. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Wait. Oh, I think I'm about to have I think I'm about to have an orgasm. Well, a hairgasm. Guys, your sister just flatlined, child. Lord have mercy. The flashes are coming, honey. Hold up. Let's have a moment for this wig right now. Let's have a moment for this wig right now. I am going to take, Lord have mercy, they don't mess up. Let me take this wig off and I am going to put this mineral powder foundation. My color is number 13. Usually I should probably go number 12, but I don't have a number 12. But this will do. Let's pop her off. Foundation. You can be ready in 30 minutes. Makeup and hair done. We're going to take some of this foundation right here. And we're going to put it all underneath the lace. Okay. This might be a little bit too dark, but I can make it work. I can make it work. Wait, guys. Now let me tell you what's unique about this. I've been out of the wig game for a little bit. So what I like is the fact that depending on the size of your head, they have different notches right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, where you can put it to adjust to yours. So I'm going to see where they put it on the second one. So that's where I had it. Oh, this is really cool. Okay. We're going to put that in there real quick. Let's put this hair on. Hold on. Let's rewind Shaka for a little bit because she deserves all the respect, chat. Look, this. Even though it says glueless, to me it's not all the way glueless at all. It's nice, yes. It's nice, yes. But it's not all the way glueless only. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I can still see the lines of demarcation. And I'm gonna pull it back and I'm gonna take my Bow Haze lace jelly right here. You know how you put these on, right? And then we even have the damn thing on for 2-3 minutes. Hell, they won't be able to tell my ass nothing. Because you know I'm about to be on in these damn streets. What? Did y'all see that? That was even on for like 2 minutes. Oh, wow. Yo, you know I'm a conceited. What? They can't tell me what? Yo, you can't tell me nothing, honey. Do y'all see this? Guys, I can't wait to show y'all all these other wigs that I got. This don't make no damn sense. Let me just make it just a little bit tighter. Just a little bit. Ooh. I'm like, I don't don't even know what to do. I don't know if I should get a blow dryer, if I should just continue to hold this. I don't know, but child, I haven't even hot combed it yet. Ooh. I don't wanna rush. Let me open my curls up. Wait, hold on. Give me the new beginning. Oh, baby, tell. Oh, my love. I want you to. Okay. So, oh my God. I don't want to wet her because I love the curls. I love the jerry curl look. I just want to kind of like make it bigger, but I don't want it too big. Just enough. Tell me, baby. Child, I'm ready to go outside, child. I'm like, I want him to see me, but I wanted to see this hair. Wow. So you just kind of like tease it a little bit just to get that, you know, the package curl out of it. You get what I'm saying? That package curl. So you just want to kind of like just get it. Hey, I need everybody to tag this company. This company is called Curly Me. Y'all type Curly Me hair on here. Oh my God, this looks so good. And you don't have to open up all the curls. You just want to just fluff it out just enough so that it can just give you this. And we did a little bit longer. They ain't saying a damn thing, honey. They ain't saying a damn thing, child. Oh, honey. Y'all friend is conceited on today, honey. Wait. Hold on. Let me fix my face. Let me put my lip gloss on. Hold on. Wait. Hello. Wait. Let me put a little bit here. Oh, look. It's like it just disappears. I'm going to save it. No, Friday, I'm going out to run errands, honey. Looking like a box of chocolates. Oh my God. This don't make no damn sense. They're gonna be sick of me. They're gonna be sick of me. They look spit and shit. They're gonna be sick of my ass. Oh, you back, honey. Oh, hell. All right. Sisters. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Oh, honey, y'all know these Instagram pictures is about to hit. This is about to be 20,000 in my DM. I want to do like a little clip or something, you know, and do my hair like that. Wouldn't that look cute too? Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this initial review of this Curly Me wig. This wig is absolutely flawless. I will post a picture on my Facebook page and I'll put a specific direct link to this wig because this don't make no sense. When I tell you I'm so in, it looks just like my hair. I mean, it looks